I got another piece of ash. I'm going to square up the edges so they're a little off. Find the circles. Need to make a couple handles. Got a couple tools I need to finish before I get on my next project. So just going to try to square these off a little bit. I guess you would call that foam. I believe this is ash. Oh well. Stick it on the lathe, find the centers. Okay, what I did is show you how I find the center in my new handle. And I didn't push the record button. So basically, see all those little lines? This tool, put it on the circle, it makes a bunch of lines where they all intersect. The more you put on, the more center you're going to find. So in this one I kind of messed up because I tried to drill a hole. So take a nail, once you find your center, that way you'll have something to stick your tailstock in. A little harder to see, but basically do the same thing. Move this around. Pretty much. The problem is that there's bark on it, and it's not a perfect circle, but you're going to get close, probably a lot closer than guessing. Center finder's not going to last very long. See, that's off to the side, but my center's someplace right in this area, so that's what I did. Now I'll stick this on the lathe. And all I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to turn a couple blanks because I think I need about 4 handles. And this is an old ash log that had dried. Got lots of woods in the on our lot, or 2 lots. My father used to call these trees that would grow up squirrel trees, and the beetle. Emerald beetle ash, whatever it's called. There's 2 of them. They're almost all dead. Even killing the oak trees, which are my favorite. I had 3 of them down in my yard. I'm waiting to get a big one of those bandsaws, portable bandsaws. Anyway, that might be a long wait. Now I'll stick this on the lathe, start turning it with my roughing gouge. Making my tool handles. Make a couple of them. Right now I'll just make some round blanks. my 1-inch Benjamin's Best roughing gouge. Still seems like it's got somewhat of an edge. There we go. Kind of dry. I'd like to get a moisture meter, see what this stuff actually is. Really surprised how smooth you can get it with this tool that doesn't have super high quality steel. You can see how smooth that is. Really almost like glass. It's hard to believe.